So here you go for your grand interview. What do you think?
Good morning, world.
What are we?
Caffeinated and ready for success.
What are we off to do?
We are gonna go snorkeling with whale sharks today.
Woo! Whale shark snorkeling off
La Paz.
La Paz. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be awesome.
Super excited.
With Manta, the Manta Dive Shop. It should be great. We're so excited. Christmas tree hats and all the good stuff. Nice.
Place? Yeah.
I think so.
Bueno. We got first bite. Oh yeah? Good stuff.
I know.
All right. Yeah, so good.
Should be here. Last time we came, I just had a burrito.
All right, post lunch. Woo!
So full.
So good.
Where are you, Frank?
We are at the marina in La Paz. Ready to get out here on the boat here soon?
Can you turn around where you can see our roof?
Absolutely. Look that way. Look out over the marina.
When later starts or sun starts, we have north. Find more water, to find more food. So sometimes they spin and you feel that they are touching you. So if you have your fins behind you, it's hard to go backwards. So if you have your fins underneath you, you can do the front kick just backwards, and you can go a little bit further from the wash. Okay. Now, guys, I will explain you the rules for the wash shark. Okay, snorkel. First and the most important, guys. These guys are very fragile on their skin. I told you it's like a sandpaper, but they do have a cover that protects their skin from parasites and some other infections, right? So we cannot touch it by any reason, okay, guys? Okay, we're going to keep a distance of 6 feet away from the head to the middle part of the whale shark. 6 feet away from here. We're going to be more or less about 8 feet away. Why 8 feet away? Because this guy moved the tail this way, and I don't want you to get slapped by the big tail, okay? It's going to be a huge slap. So guys, are you ready for the adventure?
Woo!
I will start this out. Look at me first. Look at me first. About 15 feet away. Can you come over here next to me? I don't know. Kick forward, kick forward. Yeah, I know. Forward. Same way when you're diving. Dale, 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 porque de vuelta.
So cool. Oh, 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 oh. Back up, big guy.
So here we are. We survived.
Yep.
Me a little later.
Back at the marina, I had a great time. Saw so many whale sharks. It's amazing. Now the ride back from La Paz.